Many careers may become less relevant or irrelevant in the future as technology and automation continue to advance. The first is data entry and other repetitive tasks, as these may be automated by artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. Second is manufacturing and assembly line jobs, as robots and advanced automation systems become more widespread. Third is telemarketing and other form of sales, as these may be replaced by online advertising and e-commerce. Fourth are the travel agents, as more people use online booking platforms to plan their trips. And finally, the fifth, taxi, truck and delivery drivers, as self-driving vehicles become more prevalent. While some careers may become less relevant, new opportunities will also arise. For instance, increasing demand for renewable energy sources may create new job opportunities in the fields of solar and wind power. Additionally, the growing field of artificial intelligence and machine learning will create new opportunities for engineers, data scientists, and other professionals.